We all know how the past can sometimes feel like a heavy backpack, weighing us down and keeping us from moving forward. But guess what? You don't have to be stuck forever. Today, let's dive into 6 powerful steps to unstick the past and start thriving in the present. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel a whole lot lighter and ready to take on the world. Let's get started. 1. Acknowledge and accept your past. First things first, you need to acknowledge and accept your past. This might sound a bit obvious, but it's often the hardest step. It's like facing a mirror and truly seeing yourself. Acknowledge the good, the bad, and everything in between. Acceptance doesn't mean you're okay with everything that happened. It just means you're ready to stop fighting reality. To acknowledge and accept your past, start by journaling your experiences and sharing your story with a trusted friend or therapist, allowing yourself to process your thoughts and emotions fully. 2. Learn from your experiences. Every experience, good or bad, carries a lesson. It's time to uncover those lessons. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this? Even the most painful memories can teach you something valuable. Maybe it's about resilience, empathy, or self-worth. These lessons can be the building blocks for your future. To learn from your experiences, write down the lessons from each significant event. Embrace a growth mindset and practice gratitude for the insights gained, turning even negative memories into valuable life lessons. 3. Forgive yourself and others. Forgiveness is a powerful tool. Holding on to grudges or guilt keeps you anchored to the past. Forgiving doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the behavior. It means freeing yourself from the emotional burden. To forgive yourself and others, write a letter expressing your forgiveness, practice compassion meditation, and create a ritual to let go of grudges, freeing yourself from emotional chains. 4. Create new, positive experiences. The past can dominate your thoughts if your present is unfulfilling. Fill your life with new, positive experiences. Engage in activities that bring you joy and make you feel alive. By focusing on the present, you give less power to the past. To create new positive experiences, try new hobbies that excite you, travel to fresh environments for new perspectives, and build strong relationships with supportive, positive people. 5. Set clear goals for the future. Having clear goals can give you direction and purpose, making it easier to leave the past behind. When you know where you're headed, it's easier to let go of what's holding you back. To set clear goals for the future, create SMART goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, and make a vision board to visualize and stay motivated toward achieving them. 6. Seek professional help if needed. Sometimes the past is too heavy to handle on your own, and that's okay. Seeking help from a professional can provide you with the tools and support you need to heal and move forward. To seek professional help, consider therapy options like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT or EMDR for past trauma. Join support groups to connect with others, and explore self-help resources for additional guidance. There you have it, friends. 6 steps to help you unstick the past and embrace a brighter future. This journey isn't about perfection, but progress. Celebrate each step you take towards healing and moving forward. You won't believe how much lighter you'll feel once you start letting go. Join me next time as we dive into more tips and strategies for living your best life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and take care.